tech fans, Jen here, and today we're diving into a tale that's got the internet buzzing. Think Disney, AI, and a whole lot of mischief. This episode is all about the AI images Disney does not want you to make. Dall-e 3, a bunch of pet lovers, and a viral trend of creating Disney-style movie posters featuring your furry friends. It was all fun and games until Mickey Mouse got involved. The thing is, these AI-inspired masterpieces included the Disney iconic logo. Disney, the guardian of its magical kingdom, raised an eyebrow. They reportedly nudged Microsoft to take some action.
Last stop.
But before we get into the copyright drama, let me first show you how to make these pet Pixar-inspired hybrids. You can't upload an image directly into the Dall-e image creator, but you can in ChatGPT. So I'm going to use ChatGPT to upload a picture of my cat. And use this prompt to get a movie poster. Here are the steps. Open a new chat. Click the paperclip icon and upload an image. Now type in the prompt. If you want to title the poster with your pet's name, that's fine. Put it in quotes. ChatGPT will create an image and a prompt. Remember, you always have the prompt. You can copy the parts you like and take out the parts you don't. And you can run this prompt in other AI image generators. You can use Bing's image creator, which has fewer blocks than ChatGPT, or use it in another AI image generator. And I've gone ahead and made a special GPT just for you to use to get started. But here's the thing, Disney was upset with Microsoft about their logo showing up on these images. In a plot twist, Microsoft first banned the word Disney from its AI wizardry. Then, abracadabra, they changed their spell to churn out Disney logos that were, well, say, creatively scrambled. But I don't know about that, they look pretty real to me. This fight is all very silly. It's easy for me to get a Disney logo if I want one. I can even get one off of Wikicommons. And with some quick Photoshop magic, I can put that logo anywhere I'd like. And it's not like this is the first time we've seen a Disney parody. They're all over the place. Comedians have a history of using copyrighted material to parody, both to entertain and to convey more profound messages. Most parodies are created without the use of AI, but AI does make it easier. Disney, of course, doesn't want you to be fooled by fake products that aren't on brand. How about the Real Housewives? Or Disney does The Bachelor? How about something a little bit more risque? Jessica Rabbit's got some competition. And so does RuPaul. And how about the Disney reboot of Kinky Boots? And my personal favorite, Zombies Take Manhattan. Don't mind me, I'm going to be down this rabbit hole for a while. You might be wondering if this is only a Dall-e problem, and it does seem to be. Dall-e is the best AI image generator right now at following your lead and giving you what you want to see. Mid-Journey images look, well, more Mid-Journey than Disney. So what happens when AI tools open the Pandora's box of parody, letting everyone riff on a theme? This is the question sparking hot debates. This isn't just a Disney story. It's a crystal ball glimpse into a world where AI meets creativity, challenging the age-old rules of who owns what in the land of make-believe. Disney, AI, and a bunch of adorable pets. Who knew they'd stir up such a spellbinding story? What's your take on the enchanted controversy? Should AI be a free spirit in the world of art? Or do we need some fairy tale laws to keep things in check? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's make it a lively discussion. If you love this whimsical wander through the world of AI and copyright, show some love with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until our next digital adventure, this is Jen with Making the Photo. Let's make something amazing together.